Finally, we are leaving Canada.
Finally.
Are you excited?
Yeah, I am.
Carl's Meat Market. It's a Dutch store, so we come here to shop some Dutch food. This is the one we have to do before we leave Canada. Oh yeah, the sprinkle.
You want to buy a couple of these?
Oh, they have a maki.
Oh, here.
It's gonna be really good Dutch pancake. Yeah, now we are going to get my passport.
Yeah, they took your passport so they can put your
Visa. Yeah. We're planning of staying in US more than 3 months, so I have to get the visa. US visa 手に入りました. Are we ready to go?
I think so.
Do you want to cross border?
Yeah.
Excited?
Yes.
Our journey starts from Vancouver, Canada. Finally, we crossed the border to United States of America. We came to Bellingham, just 1 hour south from the border. What awaits us here is...
Walk around and what Eric calls, this thing, and it says caution cliff ahead.
Is this the one?
No, this is.
Oh. Daily mountain bike rider.
You can go really slow and then you just roll over the route and basically you don't have to do much after that. Woo! That was awesome. That was amazing. That's probably the gnarliest thing you've ever done.
I earned one fist.
We're in Washington. We have to listen to Nirvana, honey.
We came to Lucy Hill. I hope I don't crash. Yeah. I didn't know what was gonna happen to me here. Oh! My foot came off.
Oh,
You can have a look at the video.
yeah. Are you okay?
I did really good running. I earned one crash.
Ohio.
Where are we going?
Continue on I-84 East for 382 kilometers.
I-84 East for 382 kilometers.
Exactly, 382 kilometers straight. So now we are on the Oregon Trail.
Well, at least in the area. There's a little kiosk there. But it's kind of famous for North Americans because when we were kids, we were playing a game called Oregon Trail where you had to cross America in your wagon. It was actually really hard to beat the game because you'd cross with your family, like 5 people.
Yeah.
And then by the time you finish the game, they're probably all dead or you just never finish.
Oh my god, that's a really hard trail.
Yes.
Fortunately, we survived and arrived in Boise. Boise, the city of the tree?
Yeah.
City of the
Idaho,
tree.
famous potatoes because they grow lots.
Oh, that mountain doesn't have a tree at all.
Yeah, everywhere outside of the city has no trees.
Nope. We are at the Salt City Lake. No, Salt Lake City. Here we met.
I've ridden it a lot.
Mountain bike yumyum.
Oh, gotcha.
It's awesome.
I like it, but you have to watch out. You don't want to go in the dip. I earned
Oh, yeah, in the ditch? Yeah.
one high five.
Colorado, honey.
Colorado.
There's a sign right there.
Yeah. Welcome to colorful Colorado. Is it colorful here? We met 3 hot desert rats.
First hot part's pretty easy.
Here is the one. Outdoor gold.
Others will kind of slot right into here.
The second, rushing dad.
Don't be hauling ass.
The third, unprofessional Kyle. Ooh.
Nice one, Yukape. Woo! That was awesome, Yuka. I like how you just went. No announcement. You're like, I'm ready.
One high five and double high five. And of course, a toast. We drove more than 2,200 kilometers and finally we arrived in Moab. In Moab, there are so many challenges we have to overcome. Porcupine limb. Yes. Here are the challengers. Paul the Punter and Aaron. Eric was so surprised me sending this and forget to turn the camera. Hey, Eric Bear!
Sweet. There's so much grip.
Yeah, right? Oh, too easy for you.
Too easy.
There is a rider we met on the way to Moab, and he came to Moab to challenge himself. RC Outdoor Gold!
Over the front a little more. Yeah. Good. A little more over the front. Yeah. Nice. There you go. Good job. You did something both of us didn't do.
That was outdoor gold star worthy right there.
Yeah. That was awesome.
That was awesome. Well, here we have it, boys and girls. Yuka is certified outdoor gold certified shredder.
I earned Outdoor Gold Star! My stomach a little bit. Yay!
You right, guys?
Yeah!
And the drop.
We are at the Magnificent 7. We're gonna go bull run. Let's go! Ooh! Nice! Ooh, cool! Nice! Okay. Oh, nice spot.
If you believe in love,
Cheers, Mesa! Hello, Moab!
if you believe in me, how will you let me in? If you are ready,
Yokoisho!
how do I reach? Thinking about,
Hello!
thinking about
We made it.
We made it! No crashes. Okay. Thank you for watching. See you next time.
So some people like have like special sign off, and so like Skills with Phil,
Yeah.
he says thank you for riding bikes with me today. Or BKXC, he says see you on the trail. I don't have a sign off at all. Maybe my sign off is like thanks for watching.
Josh is like a...
Oh yeah, Josh
Yeah.
says don't watch too much YouTube.
Yeah.
Make sure you go ride your bike once every day. What's your sign off?
Thank you for watching.
Yeah.
Oh, battery is dying. Okay, time to go.
That should be your sign off.
Finally, we are installing the storage slide. Good morning.
Good morning, Wood.